You're not ugly. You've just developed a bunch of habits that are quietly making you look worse every single day, and you don't even realize it. The way your face looks, the way your skin feels, even your overall vibe. They're all being shaped by what you do daily. And if you don't fix these habits, they'll keep aging you faster, dulling your glow, and slowly destroying your confidence. But the good news? These things are 100% fixable. And once you change them, your looks start improving within weeks. So let us break down 15 habits that are ruining your appearance, and how to fix every single one of them. 1. Constantly touching your face. You probably don't even notice it. Scratching, rubbing your eyes, resting your chin on your hand. But your hands are dirty. They touch phones, keyboards, and door handles all day. And when you touch your face, you're transferring that bacteria directly into your pores. That's how you get breakouts, clogged pores, and greasy skin. Fix. Become aware. The moment your hand moves to your face, stop it. Wash your hands often and clean your phone daily. The less you touch, the clearer your skin will look. 2. Sleeping too little. When you skip sleep, your body doesn't get time to repair itself. You wake up with puffy eyes, dull skin, and a bloated face. Do that repeatedly, and it becomes your new normal. Sleep isn't optional. It's how your body rebuilds collagen, flushes out toxins, and maintains healthy skin. Fix. Get 7 to 8 hours a night. Avoid your phone before bed and sleep at the same time daily. Your skin and energy will transform in a week. 3. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration is one of the biggest killers of your looks. When you're not hydrated, your skin looks dry, flaky, and older. You also get dark circles and less definition in your face. Fix. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters a day. Carry a bottle everywhere. If your lips or skin feel dry, that's your body begging for water. 4. Too much caffeine. Coffee isn't the enemy. Overusing it is. When you rely on 3 to 4 cups just to survive, caffeine dehydrates you, raises cortisol, and ruins your sleep. That means dull, tired skin and a jittery, anxious look. Fix. 1 or 2 cups max. Drink water after every cup and never have caffeine past 2 p.m. 5. Poor posture. This one's underrated. Bad posture makes you look weaker, older, and less confident. Rounded shoulders and a bent neck also change your facial definition, making your jawline look softer. Fix. Sit and stand straight. Train your back muscles. Keep your phone at eye level, and stretch daily. Good posture instantly adds confidence to your appearance. 6. Chewing on one side. Only chewing gum or food on one side builds uneven muscle tone, creating facial asymmetry. One cheek gets fuller, one jawline sharper. Over time, this imbalance becomes noticeable. Fix. Chew evenly. Switch sides every few minutes to keep your face balanced and symmetrical. 7. Skipping moisturizer. Many guys skip moisturizer thinking it's for women. Big mistake. Dry skin exaggerates wrinkles and dullness, while hydrated skin looks tighter and younger. Fix. Use a lightweight moisturizer twice daily, morning and night. It locks in hydration and keeps your skin smooth and vibrant. 8. Overwashing, or using harsh cleansers. Washing your face too often or using strong soaps strips away your skin's natural oils. Your body reacts by producing more oil, leading to acne and irritation. Fix. Wash your face twice a day, morning and night. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Less is more. 9. Never exfoliating. Dead skin cells build up on your face, making your skin dull and rough. That's why your glow disappears. It's literally buried under old skin. Fix. Exfoliate once or twice a week. Use a mild scrub or chemical exfoliant, like salicylic acid. It clears pores and reveals fresh, brighter skin underneath. 10. Not getting enough sunlight. Avoiding sunlight makes your skin look pale and lifeless. Your body needs vitamin D for hormone balance, energy, and skin tone. Fix. Get 15 to 20 minutes of natural light daily. Morning is best. Just remember to use sunscreen if you'll be out long. 11. High stress levels. Chronic stress releases cortisol, which breaks down collagen, increases fat storage, and causes breakouts. It literally ages your face faster. Fix: move your body. Exercise, meditate, or spend time with people who make you laugh. Your skin mirrors your state of mind. 12. Poor diet. You can't eat junk daily and expect good skin. Too much sugar, fried foods, and processed stuff cause inflammation and acne. Fix: eat real food. Fruits, vegetables, eggs, fish, and nuts. These give your skin the nutrients to stay firm, hydrated, and young. 13. Not grooming properly. Bad grooming can ruin even a good-looking face. Overgrown eyebrows, untrimmed beard, dry lips, they all make you look sloppy. Fix: trim your beard regularly, clean up your eyebrows, use lip balm, and apply moisturizer. Small grooming habits show discipline, and discipline looks attractive. 14. Neglecting your teeth. Yellow teeth or bad breath can ruin your entire impression, no matter how good your skin is. Fix: brush twice daily, floss, and use mouthwash. Visit a dentist once a year for cleaning. White teeth and fresh breath instantly boost confidence. 15. Blaming genetics instead of improving. This is the most damaging habit of all. Saying, "It's just genetics," is the easiest way to stay average. Yes, genetics set your foundation, but your habits define your potential. Your skin, your physique, your jawline, your glow, they're all 80% lifestyle. Fix: take responsibility. Hit the gym, eat better, sleep well, groom yourself, and dress better. You'll be amazed at how much your genetics improve once your effort does. Outro. You're not stuck with how you look. You're shaped by what you do daily. Every one of these 15 habits either builds your appearance or destroys it. Fix them one at a time. Drink water, sleep more, manage stress, take care of your skin. Do that for a month, and people will start asking what changed. Because the truth is, good looks aren't about luck. They're about consistency. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and check out my next video. It'll show you how to naturally make your face look more attractive in 30 days.